Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on Echo Airsoft. Today I have I try myself on first cutting the video, and today's video is an unboxing video of a bolt action rifle, the M40A-3 von MC Millennium. Screw it. So this is actually the sports line, and for I don't know if this is a collab with ASG. So yeah, let's get into it. First, opening up, this comes with with the owner's manual. I guess it's called owner's manual. Yeah, here you can actually see how to use it, or well, how to not use it. Yeah, this is recommended scopes, recommended BBs, and yeah, this is about this. Then the rifle, so it comes with a small bag of BBs. I think these are 0.2 gram BBs, I'm not sure. It comes with a speed loader. Well, it's actually the cheapest speed loader you can get, but better than nothing, right? Then it comes with two more of these little pads here, so you can adjust it to your needs. Then it comes with the magazine itself, which I think holds 27 BBs. This is actually the magazine is actually pretty weird in my opinion for the placement of it. Then you have a little microfiber glove, I guess it's called, to wipe your optic, which is not included, so but still pretty nice to have it. Then you have your L keys, I think. I'm not sure. In German it's called an Indus-Schlüssel. 2 size. We get to this later. And then you got the gun itself, where you have these weird dry packs, or what they are called. Yeah. So then you got the gun itself. You got the lower. I'm sorry, this is going to be really hard to do and probably not nice to hear. Pretty rough to get out. So you get the receiver of the gun. You see here is a metal or steel weight included. Yeah, so this is the receiver of the gun. Put that aside, and then you have the Jesus, this is huge. You have the barrel with a Picatinny rail mount, the bolt action, and this is actual metal. Here you have your hop-up adjustment, and this is actually pretty solid. It comes with a joule marking of 1.9 joules, and with a small cleaning rod. That's included. I have like 4 of these, so yeah, nice to have. So at this point I'm trying to set a cut in the video, so I'm going to assemble the gun and then I see you in a second. So, and here I am again, Please tell me in the comments if the cut worked or not. Like I said, this is the first time of me cutting a video. So this is the gun assembled. Pretty neat if you ask me, and it's got a good weight to it. You have an adjustable cheek riser in 3 positions. So you actually just loosen these screws here or tighten them down. And that's it. Now it's adjusted and can't move around. Then you have these adjustments here. I don't know what they're called. To adjust your buttstock. Is it called buttstock? Well, I don't know. Then you have a sling mount and another sling mount. And this thing actually comes bipod ready. So yeah, and this is where you put the magazine inside. Actually pretty interesting if you ask me. So you got your magazine here and you put it in like this. This is it. And this right here is your mag release. So you push it in, it comes out, and then you can just get it out there. Inside here is actually everything inside of the gun is metal. So the frame is plastic. The barrel, the outer barrel and the inner barrel is metal. Here everything metal. And the bolt action is metal. Now it is on safe. This is fire. Oh, damn, the trigger on it is light as fuck. Jesus. So yeah, I am now going to set another cut and show how I would use it on the field. See you later. And here we are again. So this is how I would use the gun on the field. See, with an bipod, which is actually adjustable, made by Humorex, and scope made by Walter. This is a 4x32 magnification scope, and I don't know if you can see the crosshair. Probably not. But this thing is good. So this is my sniper rifle, my new sniper rifle by now. Yeah, tell me in the comments what you think about it, and tell me if the cuts in the video worked as planned. So see ya guys around, have a great day, hope you enjoyed the video, see ya!